Hello wizards and witches, welcome back to this magical Hogwarts channel. I'm Professor Luna, but you can just call me Luna. I've said that like a million times. So, before we get started with this Harry Potter What If video, I need to say thank you and to take a reminder that you can put on your Alexa and your calendar. So, starting off with a thank you for 54 subscribers. I want to get up there, but thank you so much for 54. And then the reminder that you need to put on your Alexa and calendar is that on the 8th of April 2024, I will be doing my YouTube anniversary. You really don't care. So, put that on your Alexa. The reason I'm saying Alexa so loudly is because both of the Alexas in the house, one in my room, one in this room, are both not plugged in. So, I can say Alexa however many times I like. Alexa, Alexa, Alexa. Just checking if it was plugged in. It wasn't, by the way. Okay, so put that in your Alexa, and on the 8th of April, I will be doing a live stream about it. So make sure you're there, people. It really mean a lot to me. Let's get started then. First, Harry Potter, what if? What if Harry married Hermione instead of Ginny? I don't like this. I don't like it at all. Ginny is my second favourite character. Dobby's my first, by the way. And I just think that who would Ron marry? I'm having a feeling that Luna, maybe. Because Luna didn't even marry somebody in Harry Potter. She married somebody in Fantastic Beasts. The reason I don't know the name is because I've never watched Fantastic Beasts. So, yeah, I just think, who would Ron marry? Probably Luna. I don't know why. I don't know what would happen to the story if Harry married Hermione. Probably that Ron would just go and marry Luna. It would just be like, you're right, Luna, you want to marry me? And then she'd be like, oh, yes. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm so awkward. Okay, so, next Harry Potter, what if? What if Dumbledore didn't die? Okay, so I think if Dumbledore didn't die, then Severus Snape, I didn't say that in a tone, Slytherins, I really didn't, wouldn't have become headmaster, and Minerva McGonagall wouldn't have become headmistress. So, yes. And I think that if he didn't die, Albus Severus Potter, first mentioned in the video, Harry's son, by the way, middle child, we might be seeing a bit more of his Hogwarts journey in like another Harry Potter franchise. Oh. Okay, so next Harry Potter, what if Albus Severus Potter was put in Gryffindor? So, I was just casually minding my business, searching random Harry Potter stuff on Google. Then I searched up Albus Severus Potter history. And then it also said his house, Slytherin. I think that he was put in Gryffindor. I think that if he was put in Gryffindor, we might see a bit more of Albus's school journey. And we might even see his sorting and and then, there might be another Harry Potter franchise called Albus Potter. Albus Potter and the Slithering Chaos, Albus Potter and the Chamber of Doom, Albus Potter and the Prisoner of Matalan. It's a shop, by the way, in case you didn't know. Albus Potter and the Goblet of Life. I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe even Goblet of Wee. Okay. The Order of the Bird. The Half-Blood Mince. The Deathly Sparrows. That's my favourite one, the Deathly Sparrows. Okay, by the way, Half-Blood Mince sounds very good. Like, half of you is a prince and then half of you is, like, meat. Wow! Okay, next one. What if Harry Potter was just dreaming all of the franchise? No. No. I think that if that was happening, then at the end of Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, we'd just see Harry waking up in his, what do you call it again? Cupboard. Waking up in his cupboard. Which didn't happen, so I don't believe it. I don't believe it, and you can't make me believe it. By the way, I'm not pale, it's just the lighting of outside. I'm leaning this against my window. That's why I'm really pale. You're like here. Where am I not pale? Here. Or here. Okay. You'll be dirt. Okay. Next one. Then. I'm a lizard. No, it's not that. Next one is, what if Voldemort was a good guy? I think that when, like, Voldemort, like, told Draco to step forward to go to his mother and father, coward, then maybe, like, when he hugged him, maybe it would be, like, a proper meaningful hug, like, like, it would be a meaningful hug, like, yeah. What if Ginny died? Why? Why does this have to exist? Who would Harry marry? Ooh, that rhymes. Harry Maui, Harry Maui, Howie Maui. Where were you? Where were you? Okay, enough with the baby nursery rhymes. Howie Maui. Okay, who would Harry marry? Who would marry? 10-second pause. Harry. There we are. Who would marry? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Harry. Okay, I don't know. That would just be horrible if Ginny died, really. It would just make everyone really sad. Unless you're like a really bad Slytherin. Okay, what if Neville lived with his parents? Well, the funniest scene, in my opinion, which was what if again? Oh, yeah. What if Neville lived with his parents? My favourite scene in The Prisoner of Azkaban, when Snape comes out in Neville's grandmother's clothes. That scene wouldn't be that, and I love that scene. So I like that Neville lived with his grandmother, but I also think that it would make Neville a bit happier if he lived with his parents. Okay, don't mind my weird dance, please. It's my thinking dance. Okay. The next Harry Potter what if then is trying to just think of weird characters or just any. Oh, I got one. What if Dolores Umbridge was a good guy? Okay. Well, she's not, and I kind of like the fact that she's mean because there's got to be like a mean teacher who sets all these boring rules and all of that. Next theory, then. Dun, 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 dun. What if there was another Harry Potter movie? Okay. So, one point last year, when I was so small. Anyways, one point last year, me and my friends we made a new Harry Potter that was just quite a private little show. And it was called Harry Potter and the Missing Diamond, I believe. It was based off of the actual Harry Potter characters, of course. Like, I remember my friend was like, the director was my BFF, and she played Hermione. I played Ginny. Why didn't I play Luna? Oh yeah, my other friend played Luna. And yeah. So I think that if there was another Harry Potter movie, then I think that it would be called Harry Potter and the Missing Diamond. Okay, so we're going to leave it there. So, I hope you enjoyed this video of Harry Potter What Ifs. This video has taken many attempts. And I don't know how many times I've said what ifs, what ifs. So, I hope you enjoyed this magical video. And remember, put that reminder on your Alexa. Bye.